We're from Utah, man. We're trying to convert these guys for a week.
Yeah, this is a place to be. Y'all can't.
Word. Alright guys, all the people I know from Texas rave about the HEB. We're going to go get some vegan food in Plano, Texas. And on our way, we ran into an HEB. So we're just gonna take you guys inside with us. Let's go check it out. Can't be a Texas grocery store without a barbecue joint. Full-on restaurant in the HEB. Dang, bro.
I think I believe the hype.
Yeah, this place is huge. Holy smokes.
Yeah, I think I
got sushi. Big floral section. What do we got here? Low carb. Oh, vegan and vegetarian, bruh. Check this out. What do we got here? Vegetable lo mein, cilantro lime burrito bowl. Dude, butternut squash, garlic mushroom spaghetti. Oh my goodness, we might have to get something here. Vegetarian. I wonder if this is cheese. Oh yeah, Parmesan cheese. Okay, so we can't have all of them. Might be able to get something. Does it say vegan or vegetarian? Vegetarian. Dang, we're so close. We were so close. We got one option then. Yeah, but that's all right. Yeah, we'll keep looking. We'll come back to it. This place is pretty insane.
I've lived here for 3 years, never been to one, so I'm actually really impressed.
First time for both of us. Oh, dude. They got the little spicy tuna. Oh, dang. Dang, man, this is
mighty nice.
This is for sure the craziest selection of sushi I've ever seen in a store. Wow. This is very impressive indeed. Oh. Beer and wine section. Jason out here in Texas rocking the Utah Jazz jersey. Sheesh.
Yeah, Utah Texas, but we don't forget where we're at now.
We keep it Lone Star out here. Just sipping some of that with our tobacco the other night. Massive beer and wine section. Okay, okay. And it's still going.
They actually have a cigar section right next to their wine.
No way.
Yeah.
That's pretty insane. This place definitely feels like it's an adventure. That's for sure. Oh dang, dude.
So Colby, these are actually glass bottles, and you bring it back, they'll give you $2 to recycle it.
I like that. I hate wasting plastic.
Hey, you want to make a vegan stop in the milk section?
Milk, more milk, milk lovers. I think that's the wrong section. Lots of magnolias out here in Utah. Texas. So we're leaving the HEB, had a quick little stop just to check it out. And I'll say that it's a pretty cool store. Kind of like an upgraded Costco. I don't know as far as the pricing, but they had everything. I'd say it lives up to the hype. It's worth stopping by to check it out. And now We're on our way to get a vegan Crunchwrap Supreme. Maybe try a vegan bacon cheeseburger as well. First Cybertruck I've ever seen. Yeah, this place is definitely for people with more money than we have, but we're gonna still have some fun. Got a Mediterranean bar. What's that, a new electric vehicle company? Yeah, this place is definitely very fancy. All right. We are headed to Legacy Mall to get some vegan food. Haywire. That joint looks nice. We're here. Thank you, sir. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm kind of Asian. Oh yeah, this place is sweet. Huh? Pizza and pasta. Oh yeah, I definitely got to try that. You know what French fries are?
That actually sounds great. Actually, that's what I want.
French fries?
Yeah, sorry.
Don't get me wrong though, the burger is fine too, but that French fries, that's my number one seller.
That's definitely what I'm coming for. We're from Utah, man. We're trying to convert these guys for a week. We're up here from Utah. And these guys live here, so.
Yeah, it's a place to be, y'all can't.
Word.
One order of fries and a barbecue.
So how long have you guys been here?
We've been here for a little bit over a year.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah, before we got here, we was at the Dallas Farmers Market.
Oh, really?
At the food tent and the food truck, and then this is our first official location.
Very cool, man.
It's been real good.
That's awesome.
I love that.
That's the nature test?
For sure, just slow it down. They know. Get more sleep.
Never had jackfruit smoke, so this is. Thank you so much. All right. Smoked jackfruit.
Smoked jackfruit.
It's a yeah. You know what jackfruit is?
Never heard of it.
Oh, dude. Look at
First
that.
timer right here.
All right, dude.
That's what's smelling so good around here anyway.
What's the burger for?
Make me think of a mushroom.
Yeah, I mean, I've tried to cook it before. It was no good. But if you know what you're doing, it's like one of the better vegan meat replacements because it's not. Oh yeah, yeah, it's very good. It's literally a fruit, and you can cook it and grill it all kinds of different ways. And it kind of holds like a meaty texture. Did you get a burger? What'd you get?
I got a Crunchwrap Supreme and a burger. Allie and I are gonna do half and half. We'll share with each other.
Dang, that's the way to do it, honestly.
Yo, I'm not even a vegan. This is my first time ever doing this, so this is fun for me.
You're gonna love it.
I'm joining my vegan brother on his journey, you know?
Especially the burger. You won't even think it's vegan. You're gonna think it's a real thing.
I like it.
Most of our customers not even vegan though. I'll say maybe like 40% is vegan, 60% non-vegan.
He's been vegan for like 8 years.
And I've been vegan for like 10 years.
Oh, dang.
10, yeah. Before it was a trend.
Yeah, yeah, it was getting more trendy when I switched, but
I remember he showed me a video, tried to convince me to do it. I was like, I can't do
What
it.
video was that?
I think it was
something about beef and issues with beef and stuff like that.
it was like something on net. I think maybe What the Health. Yeah.
How spiritual or something?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, the one that woke me up with personally.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's on like show you like the dairy industry, the meat industry, even like fish and stuff like that. It's like that was the one that woke me up.
Yeah. For me, I just stay away from Walmart.
But hey, he's trying it for a week with us, so I'm surprised he's doing it. We didn't ask him to, but hey. So we gotta show him some good food.
Looking like a pretzel bun.
Yeah, dude. Looks so good. Have you always been cooking, or did you start cooking more when you decided to? Yeah?
I feel like when I went vegan, there was really no option.
Yeah, right.
So I had to get creative in the kitchen. This actually me and my twin brother spot.
Oh, no way?
That's amazing. So yeah, we started this about 8 years ago. Yeah, that's what really inspired me to start cooking. Like I said, you go to our favorite places, you couldn't really be vegan, so we had to just get creative. So,
Yeah. I'm learning to cook, but my fiance is really good with cooking.
She
all
kills
kinds
it,
of,
bro.
and so
Right here, she's a beast in the kitchen.
Nice. Okay.
Yeah, so
you cook vegan stuff? Nice.
so it gets to that point where you start eating your own food, and it's so much better than the restaurant
Yeah,
stuff.
right, exactly.
And if people aren't vegan and they make vegan food, they just throw like everything on it, and they're like, no.
Yeah.
And I feel like they don't taste it. They just throw it out, and they're like, it's vegan products, so you know you'll probably enjoy it. But when you get vegans that cook like they like to eat, I mean,
It's more love.
Oh,
You
yeah.
just feel it.
next level.
Like an energy thing.
Yeah. Yeah, she told me no on the burger, but I might have to come back and grab one here in a second.
Burger, even though we don't have a star next to it, that is a top seller though. Like we had to put our top 3 in. Just because we in Texas, I feel like smoke anything people gonna love. So that's why we put a star on the smoked jackfruit. But I feel like it's just as good as the jackfruit burger.
All right, dude. I'm gonna get a burger too.
You need a burger too?
Yeah. Gotta try it. I can't leave here and not try it.
I won't tell Marisa.
She'll find out, but that's okay.
Oh.
They said I gotta try a burger.
You got the New York strip.
Oh man, this looks so good. This is that food I'm here for, 100%.
Yeah, dude, I bet it's gonna be amazing, honestly.
Oh yeah. Oh, got the vegan. You guys call that fry sauce here in Texas, or what do you call that?
Queso.
Oh, that's the
So the crunch wrap, but we hook y'all up just so y'all can try it.
Oh, thank you.
So the burger.
My man, thank you. I highly appreciate it.
Awesome, thank you so much. We appreciate the hospitality, guys.
Yes, sir. And
I will
your
be.
burger, I'll say just come back in like less than 10 minutes.
Okay, thank you so much. Oh, thank you, sir. I just want to say those guys over there had so much hospitality. They were so cool. This food looks incredible. I originally just went with the Crunchwrap Supreme, but they talked me into the burger. It looked too good, so we're gonna get one of those too coming out here in a minute. But they were so nice. If you're in Plano, right outside of Frisco, for sure check out Vegan Vibrations Legacy Food Mall. Now we got this sweet to post up and eat some food. So let's check this out. Let's try it. They hooked us up with some smoked jackfruit to sample, and the Crunchwrap Supremes do not come with vegan queso, but we had to try some, so they hooked us up with it.
Man, bro.
What do you think? First bite?
I'm just gonna keep it honest. It's Taco Bell's Crunchwrap Supreme got nothing on it, bro.
Oh.
That's a big deal.
Oh.
That's a big deal. I mean, they got this from Taco Bell, so they just hit a home run on this one.
Give it a little dunk in the queso.
You want to dip your fries in
Look
the
at
sauce?
this thing
Like
now.
Charlie, look, Charlie dip. Look, Charlie dip.
Beautiful.
Dip. No, we're eating right now. We're eating with Kobe.
How's that, Allie?
No, I'm almost up.
That is so good. Your assessment of Taco Bell doesn't have anything on this was very, very accurate.
By the mama.
True. This is seriously bomb. On our queso dip.
I mean, just look at the perfection. Man, it's made with love.
He had to let us know his food is made with love here.
In Texas, they got a lot of spots like this where it's a concert hall. You can eat at.
This outdoor patio. This is a vibe. You got the crunchiness from the inner layer of the hard shell taco. Tomatoes, lettuce. That whatever meat they use, the meatless meat, whatever. Is very big.
And this one's a spicy jalapeno cheddar burger. Looks pretty good. Wow.
It's really good by itself, but with that queso. Nice
What
chunks of
burger did
queso.
you get?
Bacon, jalapeno cheddar, right?
Nope.
Yeah, it's so good.
Oh dang, dude, that's the pretzel flavor on that bun coming through. Nice.
Yeah?
Oh yeah.
Can't believe how good this is. This is so good.
Marissa, how's that carrots and lettuce over there?
Great.
I always ask them, when we go places with these guys, I always ask, you got some carrots and lettuce here? My brother's vegan. But this is a little bit better than carrots and lettuce, I must say.
He told me that we had to try the burger, and so I'm gonna give this thing a shot. The char on the burger is so amazing. It's the bacon cheddar jalapeno burger on a pretzel bun. Vegan Vibrations knows what they're doing.
Professionally.
Professionally. The burger is so good, but I have to come back to this Crunchwrap Supreme. This thing is so delicious. I just want to say another huge shout out to Vegan Vibrations in the Plano area. If you're in Plano, you have to come over to Legacy Food Mall and try this out. It's world class. World class. I'm gonna enjoy this, guys. Catch you soon. Surely has to be one of the nicest food courts I've ever been in, if not the nicest. This is the concert venue for the outdoor facility we were just checking out. Oh, is that a brewery, son? Oh, dang. Wow. That's a serious brewing operation. Oh, and this is only the second floor. There's another floor. Until next time, Legacy Hall.